That's for the video and here, sister. So I promise you that I will make a video for you with the Starlink purchasing. Okay, and this is the video. So first, make sure you have a Mastercard or a debit card, credit card. I mean it. Just have this or Momo. But for now, Ghana, we don't have the Momo option. We just have only the debit card or credit card or the Mastercard. Yes, that one is available on the platform. And let me show you how you can purchase after you have it. And note that with this one, after entering is there, it will be one of the payment method. I mean for subscription every month. So just make sure it will be one that you'll be using most of the times and not just for just one time use. Otherwise, you need to go change it on the platform later after you got your debit card or credit card or MasterCard that you'll be using for a lifetime. Okay, so yes, let's start. Let me show you how this is about. First, like the video and follow me for more videos right here on this platform. All countries. Let's start with it. Let's go.
So you see that you go to Play Store, App Store, then you download the Starlink app, or you go to their website and then you get access to their platform to purchase this. Okay, so yes, let me show you right here. But first, like the video and follow us, or subscribe to the channel for more videos right here on this platform. So just get to their website and then be at their home page. Okay, so when you just visit their website, this is the home screen. Be at the home screen and you can see we have the service address, we have type and select, and then we have the order now. But look at the top right corner. Okay, when you look at the top right corner, you can see we have some three lines right here. This one, just give it a tap. When you tap on it, it will give you this. We have the personal and then we have the business. So if you want to create your account as a business, you can just select business. If for personal use, then you will select personal. That will help you create a personal account for your own self. Then you just come to this side, you scroll down, and then you just type or enter your address right here. Just in case you don't know your address specifically, just tap on this sign right here. This, when you tap on it, it will automatically detect your location. So make sure you just give it access to your location and then it will be filled right there. And this address that you give is where you will be using the Starlink. Okay, so just take note of that one as well. Then you tap on the order now. Like the video and then let's continue with it. So it will bring you to a new page and you have just 1 hour to complete purchase. Okay, so just in case you are to order must be completed within the time. That is 59, 54. It will be reducing as time goes on. So make sure you order within that time. If you don't order within that time, it will be in your account at where we have the shop. So I will show you right there. So just make sure you are fast with it, have your available requirement, and then proceed with it. Okay, so yes, let's order Starlink right now. So look down and then we have this right here. There is no contract for this. You'll be able to get access to a 30-day trial and then it will be shipped to you within 1 to 2 weeks. And also the price is made known to you right here. So for Ghana, that is the price. And know that they will need some information from you. They will need your personal information and also the payment method as well. So when you come down a little, you can see we have the contact information, and you are to give your details to them, and then through that, just in case of anything, they will just send you a message through that one, especially your email. Okay, so you will be giving your first name, your last name, your phone number, and then your email. With the phone number, make sure you add your country code to it. Okay, and then after that, you will add your shipping address. So make sure you enter your shipping address right there. For the country, it will automatically be selected. Okay, then you add your shipping details or your shipping address, line 1, line 2, and for some of these shipping address, most of them are optional, so you can choose to add 2 or more or 3, and then they will ship it to that address that you give. So make sure address is correct. After that, you enter your city, the state or the province, you just enter it as well. After that, you tap on update shipping address. Okay, so when you tap on it and then there is any mistake, they will let you know. So when you tap on the update shipping address, it will save and then it will proceed to a next page where you will be able to make payment. Okay, so your billing information, as I said, this is the one that will be used and will be consistently be using. So make sure you add one that is just forever. Okay, so you also have the choice to select within the card or the mobile money. And with the mobile money, as I said, for Ghanaians, we don't have it right now. But for other countries, these are the supported wallets. That is the Airtel to Go, Telecel, and MTN. And all that you need to do is to enter your PIN or NIN. And then you proceed with it. and it will be connected. Okay, so after entering all these details, and at this point you haven't liked the video, kindly like the video for me and subscribe for more videos right here on this platform. Just in case you face any issue, let me know as well. So you scroll down and then you tap on the place order. All right, so after that, when you come to this side, we have the Starlink order confirmed, and then your confirmation code will be right here. Okay, so you wait for some time and then your account will be created for you. So make sure your confirmation number is saved, or you can take a screenshot or you put it somewhere. Okay, yes, after that, you wait for some time, then you will set your password for your account. Okay, so you tap on the set password, and then you'll be given the spaces, and then you are to enter your password and then you confirm it as well. Okay, so when you continue with it, you just look down and tap on the set password. So it will take you back home, and look at the top right corner once again, and then you tap on the three lines. When you tap on the 10 lines, it will bring you to this side once again, and then you just tap on my account. You will see your account right there with your Gmail. Then you tap on my account. So when you tap on my account, it will bring you to this side where you will see your order, the amount, and then also the payment method and everything that you just entered concerning your shipping details, and everything will be right there. Okay, and when you scroll down as well, you will see the orders that you have placed, and everything is right there. And also, to also know whether your order is coming as in processing or still on hold or preparing, you will see everything down here. So everything will be here for you to check it out. Okay, so when you scroll down, you see everything. Now let's go back to the top and then let's try to make the payment. Okay, so yes, if you don't like the video, just give me a like and subscribe for more videos right here on this platform. So if you made a mistake with the payment method, we have the update payment method right here for you to make changes to your payment method. So when you tap on it, to bring you to this side, and we have the mobile money. That's the one that I chose. Okay, but when you look at the right side of it, we have this pencil there. You can tap on the pencil, and then you can change from the payment method of the card to Momo, or Momo to the card. Okay, yes, after that, then you tap on the make payment, and then your payment method, which is the mobile money, will be there, and then the amount will also be there. Then from here, you can continue to make payment by tapping on the submit, or you can tap on the cancel to go back. Maybe you made a mistake with something. Okay, so let's tap on the submit. When you tap on the submit right here, as we are using the mobile money as our payments method, you need to wait for some time, and then it will show you your payment date, that the payment has been submitted on this date and at this amount. And know that with all this, you'll be getting messages at your email. Okay, so make sure the email that you link is a correct one, a working one, and an active one, that you have no issue with that one, and everything will be through your email. And then you continue to make payments, and your Starlink will be shipped to you.